Hey guys, what's up? So if you're looking for the trending dog filter on TikTok to use on your dog, then what you have to do, just go to the effect gallery. Okay, now I'm in trending section. Here slide right until you see funny. Tap there. Okay, here under funny, just swipe up until you see this image. This is the filter that you have to use on your dog. Okay, I don't have any pet here, so just try it on your pet. This is the filter. Okay, suppose you are not getting the filter like this from the effect gallery, then what you can do, you can go to your for you page. Okay, on your for you page on the top right corner you will see this search button. Tap there and search for aggrieved pets. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon. Tap there, you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. Tap there to use this effect on your dog. Okay, so that's it guys. Likewise you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.